Yeah. Let's now go to the Lu channel or the Lu needling technique. A patient has a long-standing musculoskeletal disorder characterized by fixed pain, localized tenderness, signs of blood stasis, which TZM rationale most strongly supports considering low channel. Ibig sabihin, when do you consider, why would you consider doing low channel treatment?
When there's chronic obstruction that may progress from primary channel into the lower collateral.
Which sequence best represents the core low channel pathway?
Core.
Primary channel, low connecting point, low collateral, paired channel.
Practitioner wants to treat simultaneous lung and LI involvement using Lu relationship. Which point is the lung Lu point?
Lung low, lung 7.
Which pairing correctly represents Yuan point with the Lu point of its interior-exterior partner?
Lung 7 plus Li4.
Wow. No.
Oh,
Lung
no.
9 plus
9.
Li6.
Li6?
Okay, tinan nyo muna yung question, no? Yuan, tapos Lu.
Source.
Exterior sa exterior.
Yung letter B kasi, Lu na una dyan. Remember? Lung 7. That's not
Oh, okay.
lung 9 is the yuan.
Yeah.
Ang tanong kasi, yuan with the Lu.
Low
The
point.
guest host approach, okay?
Okay.
So Li6 is the Lu connecting point of the Li, meaning to say it will affect the lung, okay?
Li4.
Presents with chronic disorder involving the spleen and stomach. Ngayon ha, aralin niyo mabuti yung question. Which Yuan-Lo combination is most consistent? Hindi specify si spleen lang or basta both spleen and stomach. Answer.
Given na yung spleen port tsaka stomach 42. Spleen 3, stomach 40. Okay. Both A and C?
A and C.
Stomach 46.
Ang galing, which statement best explains the theoretical difference between the Yuan and Lo components of a Yuan-Lo treatment?
Yan regulates the source primary channel while low establishes communication with the paired channel.
A patient has weakness and reduced function along a collateral territory without obvious signs of obstruction. Which Lu treatment principle is most appropriate? Remember, reduced function.
Reinforce the low point.
Wow, galing. Which presentation most strongly suggests low excess?
Low excess.
Fixed pain and
Distension. Very good. Which clinical finding most strongly supports low obstruction?
Fixed or stabbing pain.
Which sequence best illustrates progression toward chronic low pathology?
Acute channel disorder, chi obstruction, persistent obstruction, low involvement, blood stasis, phlegm.
A patient has chronic lateral headache with persistent symptoms in the gallbladder territory and possible liver involvement. Which low point should be considered? Analyze mabuti bago sagutin, okay?
Pag liver
Priority
involvement,
niya si gallbladder.
gallbladder.
Priority.
Depende. Pag gallbladder is siyempre gallbladder tayo. GB37.
Oo, okay. Bakit GB37?
It is the gallbladder low point and connects toward the liver.
Okay. Which of the following is not a major clinical context for Lu channel needling?
Not exclusively acute.
Yes. So dito na, oo. Okay, now you know, okay? So,
GB30.
okay.
Mm-mm.
How many principal loop points are included in the conventional system?
15.
15. Ay, galing naman. What additional point may produce a 16-law framework in some classical discussions? Bakit yung iba naging 16?
Special points.
Anong special point?
15.
Spleen 20. Ay, no, sorry.
Hindi.
Ay, doon pala sa 15 kasama na si Spleen 21. Eh, sino ba yung Shuli na yan?
Bakit 16?
Okay, Shuli.
Surely.
16. Oo.
Hindi
Sa
siya
ibang
sure.
klasika, parang hindi na ginagamit, 15 na ngayon. Naging 15 ito because of the Ren, the Do, and the Spleen 21. Okay? Shuli.
Random.
Okay.
Truly.
Which loop
Shuli.
belongs to the pericardium channel?
PC6.
PC6.
Which pairing is correct?
PC6 Sanjiao.
Which loop is associated with the kidney channel?
Kidney 3.
No.
No, 4.
Kidney 3
Kidney
is
4.
not a loop point, okay? Kidney 3 is a Yuan source point.
Source. Pala,
Kidney
yes.
3 kasi yung
Kidney
source.
4. Okay? Kidney 4.
Yesterday.
Which is the correct loop point of the stomach channel?
Stomach 36.
40.
40. Kasi alam mo bakit?
40 first.
Pag ininidle mo sa stomach 40, ang inaapektuhan mo is the spleen. Okay? Remember, stomach 40 is a phlegm.
Kaya siya good for phlegm.
Yeah. Ini-impact mo si spleen kahit nasa stomach. Okay? At saka nagkaka-phlegm ka pag chronic na, 'di ba?
Yes.
So mo sa stomach 40, loop connecting ng stomach.
Ng split.
Yung
So, spleen stomach.
inaapektuhan mo si spleen. Okay? Which statement regarding the Renmai and Dumai in the Lu system is correct?
Which statement regarding
When my use
is
2015 and do my use do 1.
Spleen 21, Tapao, is classified as
Spleen. Green. Great. Low up to spleen.
spleen.
ganong green. Green yung
Green.
basa.
Labo
Color
na ng mata ko.
Color
Hindi ko
green
makita
kasi
makita.
yung sa question.
Which
Yung sa top.
statement, which statement best distinguishes primary channel needling from low channel needling?
Tawa ako bigla doon. Labo mata ko.
O sagot,
Low channel needling focuses on the collateral network and paired channel relationship.
patient has acute superficial channel disorder, hindi chronic ha, walang paired channel involvement. So that means before you use Luo, you need to make sure it's chronic, saka may involvement na sa kanyang interior-exterior na partner, okay? So, ano yung in-emphasize first?
Wala siyang paired channel. Di ano siya. Primary channel.
Ay, wow, ang galing. Okay. Which fine, kasi siyempre pag acute, primary channel yung focus mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Kung kang titingin ngayon doon sa yung 5 shoe, di ba? Yun. Which finding most strongly shifts clinical reasoning from primary channel treatment toward low channel consideration? O ibig sabihin, nagbago na yung decision mo. Low na ang gagamitin mo, hindi primary.
Pag low kasi long-standing fixed pain with collateral discoloration.
So, kung makikita kang discoloration, which symptom is associated with increasing low involvement?
Pag low, may numbness, all artery sensation.
Yes. A patient has visible small collateral vessels and dark purplish discoloration around the chronically painful area. Which interpretation is most consistent?
Kapag
Low blood involvement.
Yes. Which clinical feature most strongly suggests the pathology has become complex enough to consider the Lu network. So pag simple lang, ano lang, primary, diba? Ano yun?
Mm.
Okay, answer. Kailan mo i-consider kung
Uh,
ang Lu?
so symptoms are chronic and cross-channel territories.
Which interior-exterior pair is correctly matched? This is gonna-
Gallbladder, liver.
Which pair is correctly associated with Yuan Lo strategy? So yung unang point should be Yuan, yung second Lo.
Yuan. Kidney 3, bladder 58.
Wow. A practitioner selects liver 3 plus GB37. Ano ang logic nito?
Yes. Liver 3 is the Yuan point of the liver plus low point of the gallbladder.
Okay. Which combination represents the reverse Yuan Lo
Reverse.
arrangement for the liver gallbladder pair? Reverse. Ibig sabihin, hindi yung reverse, ibig sabihin nauna yung Lo.
Nauna yung low.
G-
GB40, liver 5.
Yes, of course. Which point is the small intestine Lu point?
Low point ng Sanjiao
Anong
Seven?
sabi daw? SI.
May 7.
Yeah, SI7.
Ayan, o nga pala. Ako pala mali, sorry. Sorry, no, kakahiya. SI7, SI Lo. Ma-memorize niya? Talaga? Okay. Which combination correctly applies the heart small intestine Yuan Lo strategy? Oh, Yuan ng heart, Luo ng SI. Of course, hanapin mo na
Pwede rin,
7 dyan.
pwede mag-heart 7 yan plus Sanjiao 7. Pwede rin mag ano yan, mag SI for both A and B.
Ang galing. Which low point is paired with the lung channel as its interior-exterior partner?
LI6. Low.
Lang 7.
There's persistent chest oppression, palpitations, nausea, emotional constraint. Which low point is highlighted as particularly important?
PC6.
PC6.
With what makes PC6 particularly relevant?
It's
Its
association
association with emotional disturbance together with chest oppression, palpitations, nausea, and constraint.
Heart 5 is traditionally associated with
heart-related emotional speech manifestation.
which statement about low points and emotional disorders is most accurate? Accurate yan.
Low treatment may be incorporated into pattern-based treatment of emotional disorders.
Yeah. Kasi usually emotional disorders chronic, di ba? A practitioner observes visibly congested superficial collateral vessels and significant signs of stagnation. Ano yung traditional technique to consider?
Luho bloodletting.
Yes. Which
Low
treatment
bloodletting.
about low bloodletting is most appropriate?
It requires appropriate training, sterile technique, bleeding risk assessment, and infectious control.
What is the preferred instrument for the Lancing technique?
Lancet.
Fine lancet.
What is the alternative to Lancing?
Plum blossom.
Yes. The
Ano itsura niyan?
I use yung 7-point needle. I use that. I use that for my scalp.
Oh, I sige.
Try it effective.
Yeah,
But
gamitin
it hurts lang a little.
Yeah.
Paano yan? Surrounding?
Ano mo siya, parang tap mo siya.
Huwag mo sabihin bakit mo sinasabi sa akin.
Itatap mo yung karayom? Ano yun?
Yung plum blossom. Diba?
Hanggang sa dumugo, di ba?
7, oo.
Teka,
Pero kaya mo
Paano
naman
yun?
i-gauge yung parang ano eh, kasi ikaw magta-tap.
nakakalimutan
I-gauge
ko
mo
talaga.
yung force ng pag-tap sa scalp.
Tamang-tama. Kailangan to tumubo sa
Oo. Pag kailangan medyo mag-bleed siya para ma-stimulate yung hair follicles.
Oh my God.
Iyan mo nga,
I'm
i-picture
trying
mo
it.
nga, send mo nga.
Sige,
I-send mo ako
sige.
ng itsura.
Send ko yung link. Oo.
Sige, para magawa ko sa akin. Nakakalbo ko eh.
Sige. Tsaka yung nakita ko na, ginaya ko lang yung nakita ko sa IG. In
Sige,
everyday ko,
gusto mo ng
effective
link?
siya.
Yeah, gagawin
Effective siya.
natin.
May maliliit na hair sa ibang.
Talagang titigil ka lang pagbasa ng dugo yung ano mo.
Hindi naman, basta buong area almost the whole area ng scalp, makuha mo siya.
Good.
So, mga 10 minutes, mga 5 to 10 minutes. Ganun.
Okay. Sige, go.
Tatap-tap lang.
Sige,
Oo, tatap
sige
mo lang
natin.
siya. So,
Tingnan natin.
ano ko mamaya. Sige, sige.
Actually,
Sige,
meron
pasa
ako
mo.
meron akong 3, 4 ba yun? Hindi ko din
Plum
alam.
blossom.
Oo, plum blossom.
Yeah. Sugatan
Wala
ko
na rin
yung
ito.
sarili. Para kang nag-ano ba to?
Parang tinatap mo lang yung, ano nga ba yung,
Bulaklak ba yan?
hindi.
7 star.
Yung 7-star na na ano siya.
Ah, 7 star.
Karayom siya.
Hmm.
Oo.
Sige.
Send ko mamaya yung link.
Sige niya po. Para magawa ko po.
Sige. Oo, sige.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Sagutin niyo yung
Yes.
next. The plum blossoming technique involves
Ayan, light tapping of the skin with a disposable long-handled tool containing 5 or 7 needles.
which scenario most strongly supports considering low bloodletting rather than conventional retained needle stimulation?
Visible,
Visible,
superficial,
superficial,
collateral, congestion with significant stagnation.
Which of the following best reflects the diagnostic model presented for disease stage?
Disease stage.
Acute,
Acute, superficial
superficial
pain,
pain,
primary
primary
channel,
channel,
persistent recurrent
recurrent
pain,
pain,
progressing through involvement.
involvement.
A patient has chronic recurrent pain that has remained resistant to treatment directed only at the primary channel. What should the practitioner particularly consider?
Increasing low collateral involvement.
Which clinical reasoning sequence most accurately reflects the recommended low channel approach?
Pattern, affected primary
primary
channel,
paired
third channel, low
low
pathway,
deficiency
deficiency,
excess,
yuan,
yun,
lower
low
intensity stimulation technique.
technique.
A patient has chronic numbness, fixed pain, dark discoloration in a channel territory. Which combination of TCM concepts best fits the presentation?
Blastasis pag dark.
Low
Luho obstructed with blastasis.
Which statement best captures the clinical significance of low channel needling?
It is a pattern-based collateral strategy, particularly relevant to chronicity, obstruction, blood stagnation, and paired channel communication.
A patient presents with a chronic disorder involving both members of an interior-exterior pair, persistent pain, signs of blood stasis, and symptoms extending beyond a single channel territory. Which treatment concept is most comprehensive?
Assess the primary channel and paired channel, identify Luho involvement and deficiency, excess, and consider IU and Luho strategy.
Wow. Congratulations.